Hello everyone, we are the team from Spartan Cruise. I will inform you how serious the problem of racial discrimination and inequality in society is. So here we have an American Ruby Bridges in 1960, and in 2020 we heard about George Floyd and Jacob Blake who lost their life to the system. Cases of sexual assault and rape 2018 127k and 2015 431k average cases. Talking about NASA's history, in 1971, when Harlan Princess joined NASA as a new director of NASA's Equal Opportunity, who made a significant changes by working with President Nixon and brought hiring of minority women at a middle of senior level of management. By keeping all of this in mind, we designed a product to keep you safe and secure by informing your relatives and authorities regarding.
After successful completion of the hardware connection, now it's time for programming the Arduino. So here we are using tinygps++.h for GPS board, software serial.h for defining the software serial pins. Here tinygps++.h library is used to get the GPS coordinates using the GPS receiver module. Now declare the connection pins of the GPS module and its default baud rate, which is 9600 in our case. Also define the software serial pins using which GPS will communicate with Arduino. Then declare the objects for the tinygps plus class. Also define the object for software serial class with the pins as argument declared earlier. Inside setup, declare all the input pins and output pins. Then initialize the hardware serial and software serial functionality, providing the default baud rate, which is 9600 in our case. Inside loop, the digital input status for pin 12 is a read and stored in a variable, which when the status is high, which indicate that the switch is pressed in the transmitter side, hence the Arduino turns the buzzer on and also calls a function send SMS for sending the SMS regarding location data. For receiving the GPS coordinates, the code is written which continuously check for a serial terminal for incoming data from the GPS module. When valid data is found having GPS coordinates, this is stored in two separate variables as latitude and longitude. Finally, a function written is sent to the SMS to the registered number. Here the GSM modem is set to SMS text mode using AT plus CMGF command. Then the recipient number is defined using the format shown. You can replace this with your mobile number. Then the message with location variables appended within is sent via the serial terminal. So the product which we have created is based on human security device using GSM and GPS module. So basically the object to send SMS via SOS button in emergency condition, there is two part. First is a transmitter part and second is a receiver part. That means both these part will be separated from other and they will work in wireless technology. Actually the concept is the transmitter part will be compacted in size and act as a band for a person, and the receiver part will be compacted and it will be form a device which will be placed in the wallet or bag of the person which they are having. So then what will happen that whenever the button is pressed by that person, then the location of him or her will send to the nearest police authority, friends and family members. So now we are connecting both part with a battery, and as we are using RF module, then you can see that there is a button itself. So when the person will press it, then it's going to ring a alarm, as well as it will send SMS with the latitude and longitude to the nearest police station or family and friends.
Hello everyone, happy to see you again. Welcome to Spartan Cruise. Here are our members who made our challenge better together. Human Safety Detector is our project, which the requirements needed are GPS module, GSM module, Arduino, limit switch, LCD 16 into 2, buzzer, power supply. What is the need of this project? Nowadays, we are seeing a social media like woman is facing a sexual abuse. Example, 2 days back, Manisha has got a sexual abuse and hit by some other members. Like her, many of a women of different age facing some issue. In that, we create a gadget related to IoT and AI. It's make that to reduce sexual contact. This is not only for women; it is also men. It's useful. Move on to working demonstration. It is a security device which is made up of GPS and GSM module. It is to send a message via SOS button in emergency condition. If it is of two parts, mainly transmitter and receiver, it will be separated from one another by wireless technology. The transmitter part is compacted in size and fixed to the watch, and receiver will be apart and place it to the wallet of a bag. Whenever the button is pressed, the person, him or her, the message will be in a geographical location sent to the police station, friends and family members. By this project, we can able to help women as well as men. And this is not only given for the security but also as to give us a job. How we get job? That we want to create an organization in which we help each other. That is better together, where both needy person will get help from each other. Benefits of this project: by get this gadget, each and every person in this world will feel secure because security is most important into this world. It is useful to hospital, school, organization, even in families or college student, domestic workers and bank. Increase of job rate, which is more important because everyone wants to be self-employed and self-dependent nowadays. Transmitter is given as a block diagram which is manually done, and receiver is also same as like that.